Hey, what's up everyone out there? Thanks so much for tuning in to another Addicted Fishing video. We're excited. Today is episode 3 of the East Side Grind Spring Chinook series. We're excited to bring this to you, like I said, filmed and edited by TJ Hester, one of our guides on the east side of the state. This is some epic fishing, some epic fun. We have part 1 and part 2 down below, so make sure you guys check those out if you missed any of the other episodes. But here we go, let's roll some fishing.
Get the super bait out of the net. I got it. Get the super bait out of the net, Joe.
Got it.
Oh, I think it just popped off. Yep. This came uncorked. Dang it! All right, Joe. What's the 9 o'clock update?
No fish.
We suck.
We suck.
Mark Crackered one. Don't forget that. This guy. A for effort. There's been a few caught, it just hasn't been us. Wait! Alright, pick it up! Keep going, keep reeling! Keep it out there! Just run! Oh, keep reeling, keep reeling! There we go! There you go, right there. Angela, right here. Ah, son of a.
Damn, Ron. You crackered it, didn't you?
We can go back down.
Yeah, go ahead. Yep, that's up over one. Let's check your hooks. We need to redo your hooks.
Yeah, I'd land.
Oh, nice. 4-boat tangle. Classic. I love this place. Hey, they got it. Just like that? That worked out way too well. That was good. That was perfect. So, what's going on today, guys?
Not much, just missing fish.
They're not committing.
Well, Friday they got a festival going on at the dog park in Randall. Oh, you don't mean that.
That was seriously one of the craziest slackline bites I've ever seen, though.
This guy's over here landed his own fish. His own self.
Oh, good for him.
He ain't gonna crack her at Ron.
Yeah, he can do all that himself.
There you go. Keep reeling, keep it tight, keep it tight. Something slack, reel. Still there.
Lost him again, didn't you, Mark?
No, he's there.
He lost him again.
I know.
Okay.
Reel down to the fish. Lift. Don't. Stop. Good. Angela, can you hold this, please? Reel down. It's coming right at you. Okay, what's going on here? Stop. You keep hitting that with your knuckle. You Neanderthal, putting your big old knuckles there.
Lift.
Yeah!
Nice one, too. Nice one. Good.
All right, grab that lead, please.
All right, now I need another beer.
Have it level.
Backside of the tail. Hey, you're both on the wrong side of the tail.
He's good. Go get him. And I mean Angela. There you go.
Nice one. Nice one. It's ready.
He's tired. Yeah.
Yep, pick it up.
Yep.
Reel, buddy, reel. Don't stop reeling. Dang it. Yep, can't stop reeling.
Lost it.
Hold on, guys. Reel up. Ugh. Want to walk back that leader? I'll rebait you. I need to rebait you also, Angela. All right, game on. Wait. All right, pick it up. Reel up, guys. Reel up, reel up, reel up. Not a drill this time. A little bit still, but.
Ron, do not screw this up. It's all you, Ron. You're feeding everybody dinner.
Reel fast again, fast again, fast again, fast again, fast again.
Shelly's counting on salmon.
Hey, hold this right here.
Run! Run! He did it again.
Let's see your leader real quick.
Pressure was on, don't know.
It's one of those days. Leader's still good. Sorry, man. One of those days. Still good to go.
Everybody knows it's the guy in the sweatsuit that keeps losing his fish. This guy.
So these guys have stuck 5 fish.
put one in the box. I've got none. If I would have stuck those fish, I'd have caught every freaking one of them. Every one.
Fake
and he
news,
just keeps
fake
losing
news.
them. He keeps losing them.
Fake news, fake fishing
so what
news.
he does is he points the rod at him and he goes, it's right there. That's it. Done. Done.
One of those days. Well, did we suck?
We didn't suck that bad. We hooked 6, landed 1, I believe, and it wasn't that bad. So we had a good time. The Lexar Homes guys had a good time, I think, and we'll do it again next year.
Look at that optimism. I wasn't expecting that. I was thinking like, dude, you're trash. Get some better hooks.
Well, I didn't want to say you suck.
There it is. There's the truth. There it is.
They had their chances.
Just like that. Exactly like that.
I've been running a bobber stop and just a
I use number 1s. Is that what those are?
1/0. Pretty much the same thing.
They're sticky as I mean, once, dude, they don't come undone.
Everybody, Shane, you already know that though. Secret guide meeting. I don't think I can show you guys.
Yeah.
Finally found a parking spot. Forgot how cramped this town can be. Today is Barbecue Friday.
I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music.
That place is awesome every single time.
Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to no end. That's the stuff that I love, la la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights on the stars if you wanna.
What in the world are you showing? Hey! Hey! I'm not sure if this is appropriate or not. Back here at Salmon Camp after a long and not very rewarding day. You know, it's hard to, I kind of feel disappointed, but at the same time, like if I had the rest of my life, if I got 5 bites on a Springer trip, I would, oh my gosh, I couldn't even voice like how stoked and ecstatic I would be about that. So, I mean, it sucks we didn't stick any. Uh-oh. So anyways, all in all, pretty good day. Wish we landed them, but it is what it is. So now, we're back looking over some of the footage from today that you guys have already seen. Come on, load. So this bite in particular, the one where I'm yelling, wait, wait, wait. What you don't see is Sean right here, Sean Smuts, and me were talking about, man, that's a bite. You know, we're having this conversation back and forth. That sure looks like a slackline bite because the boat wasn't in gear at this point or before this. And we're telling this guy, all right, wait on it. Let's see if it's a fish. Wait on it, and this rod just munch. munch, 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 munch. It was probably like a 15-second progression. It was one of the coolest bites I've ever seen. I wish it stuck just so we could, you know, say that waiting worked, but it was still pretty cool to see. It's kind of fun to go through all your video from the day and kind of see what exactly happened. And there's Brianna. And she didn't believe that this was a fish, by the way. We and Jeff had to convince her. Anyways, I'm reminiscing. So the game plan for tomorrow, day 4 of 2019 Springer season, is similar. Hopefully get some bites, hopefully stick them. We're going to, well, how about this? What do you guys do when you lose 4 fish? Tie leaders. I know, pretty simple answer, but I'm gonna say it anyways. So, go type some leaders, go recheck some stuff. Got a couple good reports from buddies that were running similar gear, so I think we're all on a pretty good pattern, which, by the way, that's the best part about networking with people, is kind of getting some more confirmation on what's working. Kind of go from there. Go hit it hard in the morning. What up?
What's up, dude?
What's going on?
What's going off the water there?
Is it as good as I heard it was?
It was pretty good. I mean, I got 3, you lost 1. I probably seen, there's a group of kids out there that were just hammering them.
Like
They were
one
just
boat?
Slaying them. Yeah, they're on the money, dude. Whatever they were doing, they had it. But we did all right. I bonked 2.
Heck yeah! I'll take it.
Well, I was only after you giving me a little bit of advice. I was leading down that direction, and I changed up my whole game plan. Talked to you,
Nice.
and then changed it up, and because of you,
Sweet.
bang, bang, bang.
Nice work, guys.
Yeah, the bike definitely picked up. I mean, we were watching fish get caught until we left.
Really makes you think about just launching at 11 o'clock instead of, well, I was at the ramp at 3.
It was slow
So
this morning.
stupid. Yeah, it was awful. All right, so what's the game plan for tomorrow?
I think we're going to change it up a little bit. Sounds like we're on the same page on what we're going to do. So tomorrow we're going to meet up and see what happens in the morning. And if all else fails, then we'll change it up again and find the fish.
Perfect. So last year, this exact Saturday was the worst day I've ever seen at one of these locations. And were you there last Saturday?
I wasn't.
Wild. It was complete bumper boats. It's just something that's not worth it. There's probably more fish caught at the other spot, but plan B, right?
Plan B.
We'll go figure it out.
I think plan B is where it's at.
Awesome, man.
All right, man.
See you in the morning.
On the side, make you laugh to know it. That's the stuff that I love, la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. It's like the story of my life. Best friend, but we rockin' all the same things. Say you need me, but you really tryna change lanes. Well, I don't even care. Live my life, I don't battle with no fear. Fighting dragons, always been a real one. Hate you saying showing love, you a real chameleon. Get the facts freaking straight, always on repeat. Like, we could be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do.